There is a place where three countries meet, not with borders, but with paths, where Austria, Slovenia and Italy are stitched together by footsteps, by breath, by the quiet rhythm of nature welcoming you home. Here, everybody begins softly, with a whisper of morning light touching alpine peaks and the promise of a trail unfolding into the horizon. The kindness of people becomes part of the trail, a greeting, a nod, a shared moment that reminds you you're never alone on this journey. The world feels wide, open, ready. As the trail drifts forward, the landscape shifts. Forests breathe in unison, rivers murmur their ancient stories, meadows open like pages of a book. Stone villages rise between green hills, their architecture holding centuries in their walls. Meals arrive as art, simple, honest, crafted with the patience of tradition. Each bite an invitation to slow down to understand the place, through the flavors that shaped it. Further south, rolling hills unfurl across Italy in the soft, sun-washed waves. A glass of wine catches the light, a quiet celebration of everything the trail has offered so far. Here, time stretches, gentle, thoughtful, unhurried. A moment becomes a memory just by standing still, where Slovenian traditions linger and family roots run deep. Every step is a verse, every view a new stanza. Across glaciers and forests, across meadows and vineyards, across cultures and languages, the Alpe Adria Trail speaks in one voice. A call to slow down, to breathe deeply, to travel, not to escape life, but to return to it. And when the sun finally rests beyond the silhouetted mountains, the trail glows with the stories of the day. Footsteps, laughter, quiet triumphs, moments held gently in the palms of memory. The Alpe Adria Trail. 3 countries, 1 journey.